getting ready to go to Blizzard Beach. So
My fingerprint now.
okay.
Finger until turns green.
Fingers, can we see the green light?
All right.
I just made plans with a friend.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, so because we booked with a resort, we get complimentary towels. So you guys keep your card, okay? This is important. Umbrielle, we have to hold your card, honey. Ooh, guess look, guys, I'm Tiana. Let me see who you are. Ooh, you're Moana.
I wanted that one.
Ooh, let me see yours. Oh boy, you're Tinkerbell. Yay!
So I know what the cards are for now.
Yeah, we didn't know.
I got it first.
Wow. Yeah, you did. You got it first. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. I can come back and take a picture there.
Tomorrow you're going to get Moana.
All right, let's give them your things so we can get some towels for everybody. Hi. Come on in. Come on, Brielle. Thank you. Tattoo time. Our water tattoos will supply.
Daddy.
Which one did you pick, Brianna? Brian, you need to take all the cards and keep it safe.
They're not giving me the cards.
Who has a zipper? All right, go ahead. There's a lot of water here. Ooh.
Hello, would you like a water tattoo?
Say thank you. Yeah.
Which one would you like? I have this one. You want that one or you want this one? You want that one? I got you. Where would you like it? Right.
Then Bree wanted to have some fun with the sprinkler. Come on, go. You too scared. Okay. Ooh, do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. Do you guys want to go in that one? Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, who wants to race tic-tac-toe? Ooh, come, Brielle. Put one inside quickly. Go ahead. Right here. Brielle. Go ahead, Brielle. Woo. Go, Brielle. Pick up one. Go, Brielle. Go. Woo. Good job. All right, that's good enough now. You tried it out. Yay.
Good job, Brielle.
All right, that's it.
Drinking or smoking on board. Bienvenidos. Para
We are high.
Okay, Bray, now your turn now. Before I couldn't. Give me your leg. Give me your leg. Oh God, you pushing me somewhere else now. Oh God. Thank you, my son, for coming back for your mama. I really do appreciate it. Somebody pushing me. Oh, Lord Jesus, thank you. Wow. Now I'm going far away from you, baby. Like over here going fast, Elijah. I'm here. Hi, sweet cakes, handsome. You getting me? Huh? I thought you taking me.
Wait, I'm gonna push you.
Is it any waterfall and all that stuff?
Yeah, there's more coming.
Oh gosh, I hope I don't get it. Ay, ay, ay. Is it coming up? I don't want it, you know. Oh no, I don't want to go there. Oh god. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god.
It's coming fast.
No. Oh gosh, the hell. He got it. Good. Ooh, that was a good one. Oh yeah, baby. La 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 la. You going away? Sorry. Hey, you supposed to go and get your mama. Oh my goodness, this is too fun. Oh my hands, oh my hands. Me and my son, Elijah. No, gotta paddle, y'all. They not playing. Lazy river, lazy river. Is there another one coming up for Elijah? Okay, good.
Baby, yeah. Baby. It's more like 5. 5. That's epic. Wow, y'all really scared me. Go underwater. So these are my brother's stinky foot. Wow. Let's do one more time. This one's darker so. One more time. This one is gonna be epic. Yeah, I just saw. Guys, I'm gonna go underwater. 3, Mommy, record me. 3, 2, 1.
Girl, if I could turn back around.
I saw people's legs.
I know, right?
She should did it with the camera.
No, yeah! No, let me do it underwater. Mommy, can I have it?
No, we're doing it in the wave pool.
Wait.
That's why I'm waiting
Yeah, look.
to do the underwater. Hey,
Look here.
grab me.
Nobody touch that thing.
Grab me right
Why you have to think too much like that?
here.
No, don't do that. Give it to her. Don't do that. No, keep it.
Yeah.